I wanted to do a quick video on insurance steps to filing a claim on a roof or siding. The first step would be, if you can, um, when the storm is going on, take pictures of the size of the hail. Video would be great because it gives a little bit more details than a picture. So, as long as you're safe, if it's not a safe situation, maybe after the storm, you can go outside and take pictures of the size of the hail. That could be very critical. Um, I've been in cases where the adjuster will say, "Oh, there was no hail here." That's unfortunately a very common one that I hear. And then they start to say things like it's old damage, blah, 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 blah. So again, the first step would be to, if you can, please always be safe. If it's hail that's usually after the storm, there's hail that is outside that you can take pictures of. If there's a wind going on, if you can, take video of the wind kind of, from outside if you can. But again, please be safe. I'm not recommending you put your life on the line. And then if there's a scenario where there's a tornado, after the tornado is over and you're safe, I just go outside and just start taking pictures right away, and video of your property and, whatever is around your property also. The second phase would be to reach out to a local contractor or Sellers Roofing, and have them come out and assess your property. Most good contractors that specialize in storm damage will usually know how to document things properly. So, taking pictures, taking notes, um, you know, getting pictures from you of the property before it was damaged just to show the difference and make sure there's nothing missing. And then the next step would be reaching out to your insurance company and filing the claim. Want to do that right away. Usually the way that process works is you would call your insurance company up, speak with someone on the claims line, and they would assign a adjuster to your claim. That adjuster usually will reach out to you right away to set up a time and date to come out and take a look at your property. You want to make sure, let me reemphasize, make sure that you have your contractor there with you. It's probably one of the most critical aspects of the whole deal. Is having that contractor there with the adjuster to go over the property to make sure that they're properly estimating the actual scope of work. I get a lot of people who, for some reason, will try to do this themselves, and then, maybe they think they could do it themselves, get the money, go out and get a bunch of bids. It's not the smartest thing to do, in my opinion. So usually what happens is adjuster will come out and review the property with the contractor, and if they both mutually agree that there's damage, that adjuster will actually write out a estimate for what the cost of the work's going to be. The contractor will review that, and then they will get the work on their schedule to get it done. And that's kind of the quick version of how the process works. If you need to file a claim or think that you may have some sort of storm damage, give me a call, 651-703-2336. May have some options on the table that could potentially save you a lot of money and a lot of time. Thanks.